Not just following the flock. Understanding, don't be a sheep. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, don't be a sheep. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's explore what it means to not be a sheep in various contexts. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Literally, a sheep is a farm animal known for following the herd. However, when we use the phrase, don't be a sheep, we're speaking figuratively. It means not following others blindly or not doing something just because everyone else is doing it. This phrase encourages individual thinking and decision-making. Understanding this phrase is easier with examples. Imagine a scenario where everyone is buying a particular brand of phone just because it's trendy. If someone says, "Don't be a sheep," they're essentially advising you not to buy the phone just because everyone else is, but to make your own decision based on your needs and research. English is rich with similar expressions. Phrases like, think for yourself, don't follow the crowd, and be your own person convey similar meanings. These expressions all promote individuality and making choices based on one's own beliefs or information, rather than just mimicking others. In conversations, this phrase is often used as friendly advice or a mild reprimand. It's a way of encouraging someone to evaluate a situation independently rather than just conforming to what others are doing. It's important to use it in appropriate contexts to avoid misunderstandings. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, don't be a sheep. Remember, it's all about valuing your own judgment and choices in life. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to express your unique perspective in conversations. Until next time, happy learning!